It's a compound interest calculator because a lot of people don't understand this. And I send this out because people say, how much, what am I going to make? And of course, you can't tell them. You can tell them historically, it does 5 to 20%. So I just tell them, use your own numbers. So, let's say somebody starts with 600. And I'll drop this link in the chat, but this is very useful. And I just did this on a call. I said, pick a conservative number. So they chose 7%, which is on the low. And they chose 7 years. I think because they believe in Shemitah years. You work for 7 years, you take a year off. And the compound interval is 12 times per year. Every month, we're saying it compounds, even though we know it's compounding after each and every trade. The bot does not do losing trades. And so for deposits, let's say, just going to pick a figure, you're not even aggressive at this, that one executive package is going to show up a month, so you're going to make $100 and say from all your downline, and the other people will just put really conservative, $150 a month is going to come in. And you're just going to put 600 in, trade one coin, and forget it. And I think everybody will admit this is pretty conservative. Some people will put in a couple $100 a paycheck. So you calculate it. Now this is 7 years. I mean, there's $800,000. That's nuts. But it shows you the power of compound interest. So I tell people to do it. I tell it to be conservative. If you take it back to 3 years, you can knock yourself out with this. In 3 years, your $600 is $62,000. So 3 years, so there's no way you can predict the future, but it can give you an indication of what is possible.
Friends, this is an amazing opportunity I have ever seen. We are at the forefront right now. It would be best if you got in now, before the snowball effects happens. We have left our sign-up link in the description box below, and instructions to get you started immediately. We would like you to be part of our team, and we'll work with you closely as needed. We will provide you training and marketing materials to maximize your success. Thanks for taking a time out to watch this video presentation. We look forward to working with you.
Thanks.